So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to insert images here on Google Docs. So once you have your doc opened up, go ahead in the bottom right and press on the pencil icon. And if I just wanted to write image right here and you wanted to insert something, go to the top right to the plus icon, then go down to where it says insert and it says image. Go ahead and select that. Once you're here, you can select from photos or camera. So in this case, if I want to take a picture from my camera roll, I'll go ahead and allow the access here. I can go ahead and take a photo of my countertop, which will just be like a black screen in this case. There you go. There's my wonderful photo. I'll go ahead and press use photo. And there you go. I've now added my wonderful image. And if this looks good to you, you can go ahead, if you want to delete it, press on the delete page right here. You can delete it that way and do kind of what you got to do that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to insert images on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.